I am grateful to the Prime Minister of Niger for having received me. I am here in Niamey to attend the 47th Council for Foreign Ministers, the OIC. I wanted to avail this opportunity to have a discussion on bilateral relations between Pakistan and Niger. I had a very good meeting with the Prime Minister. We discussed the areas in which the two countries can cooperate and extend support to each other. I thanked him and his government for supporting Pakistan in the Security Council on the issue of Jammu and Kashmir. Niger has been a part of the contact group on Kashmir and they've always been supportive on this issue. I thanked him for that. I'm also happy to share with the people of Niger that today I'll be signing a memorandum of understanding that will permit annual bilateral political consultations between the two countries, and hopefully that will build our relationships further, deepen our bilateral excellent relationship further. We've also discussed the opportunity of expanding economic relations between Niger and Pakistan, and I discussed a number of projects where Pakistan can help Niger. Pakistan has offered a number of projects, joint ventures, where Pakistan can be of assistance to Niger. We have an extensive irrigation network, and we can help build and design canals, irrigation canals for Niger to promote agricultural activity and productivity in Niger. We've also suggested that we can help develop a export processing zone so that Pakistani products can be sent to Niger. They can be further processed in Niger, add value, and be used for domestic consumption and exported to other West African countries. I've also shared with the Prime Minister the opportunities of building education and health corridors to facilitate educational activities over here. We've offered students scholarships to Niger as well. Share with you that Pakistan has gifted 120,000 bags of rice to flood affected people of Niger. 3 plane loads will be coming to Niger with rice and tents to help ameliorate the sufferings of the people of Niger.